Almost 72,000 people have completed the Australian citizenship test since it was introduced in October last year. Now a committee set up to review the test has recommended it be overhauled to focus on issues such as civic duties and democracy.
Who makes the laws of Australia? Is it compulsory to vote in Australia? What's the role of the police? Those sorts of questions.
The current test was introduced by the former coalition government. It was criticised for asking what were regarded as trivia questions about cultural icons and sporting heroes, such as this sample question about Sir Donald Bradman. The opposition rejects the criticism but says it's pleased the government is keeping a citizenship test in place.
The test that we proposed, we set up, established when we were in government. As far as Don Bradman is concerned, I'd simply say that it is a very brave selector that drops Don Bradman.
The government hasn't accepted all the committee's recommendations. It's decided to raise the pass mark from 60 to 75%.
We're going to have a fairly stringent pass mark to make sure, not that we stop people becoming citizens, but they understand what they're signing up for and that they understand the responsibilities of taking out Australian citizenship.
Ethnic groups are concerned the test will still have to be completed in English.
So why are we kidding ourselves that English language fluency is essential for one's commitment or loyalty to Australia?
The government hopes to finalise the new test by August next year. Rebecca Boteler, ABC News, Perth.